the separation between the plates. This is D. All plates are identical where area of cross section are A. What is the capacitance? Cxy. So you start numbering the plates 1, 2, 3 and redraw the circuit. You can also do by Gauss law. It will take exactly 40 or around 1 hour. Don't take risk of that. Use just logical analysis like this. So this is the x is equal to, so there's a terminal from x to the plate 1, 1 to 2, and 2 is connected to y. And from 3, x is connected to plate 3, and between plate 3 and 2 there's a capacitance. Put it like this. Again 2 and 4 are common, no? So again from here you draw like this. There's a plate 4. Between plate 4 and 3 there'll be one more capacitance. And 4 and 5. So indicate now the separation. So this between 1 and 2, the separation is D. Between 3 and 2, separation is 2D. Between 3 and 4, the separation is 3D, and this is D. So how all these are? They are parallel, no? 1, 2, 3. What to do with 5, 4? It will not get added up to the system. If they ask you X and say like let this be the point Z. So XZ if they ask you, then this 5, 4 also will come into picture. This effective will be, if they ask you between X and Z, then in that case open all they'll be in parallel and that effective will be in series. If they ask you ZY will be only 5, 4. And I'll bring the circuit. It went up somewhere. Yeah. Okay, what to do now? The equivalent circuit, it has to be shown like this. So let's calculate Cxy. What is Cxy? Is only C12, C32, C34. I'll write down the equation. Do calculation later on. Cxy should be equal to C12, C32, C34. If they ask you the Cxz, in that case Cxy will come parallel to Czy. Czy, it will be parallel to that one. Czy by. So Czy, I'll write at least that value with that one. So F naught A by D. So three terminals are there. X, Y, Z. Anything can be asked here. Okay, this is about when the plates are 2, 3 plates will come. No? So how to, and he may ask you to get the charge also. Then you can take help of this condition. Anybody? Okay, just if you want, you can see it here.